Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on a Jeep Wrangler TJ. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's your windshield wipers here, and you can see on this particular vehicle these things are in terrible shape. They have gone through a winter, which is not good for windshield wipers. It's always good to lift them up before snow and ice so they do not get damaged, as what happened here. And you can see there they're completely just messed up, just dry rotted down. And I'll show you a clip here. Another indication that you need to replace your wipers, obviously this one here is a physical inspection. You can see that these are in terrible shape. Another thing is their performance. So go ahead and check out this video of what happens when you try to use them in the rain and they're not to optimum performance. You'll start to smear and it'll just mess things up. Take a look. Now, in order to complete this, the only thing you're really going to need is just the replacement blades. This particular Jeep, the TJ, takes two 13-inch blades, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side, so that's all you're going to need. You can pick these up anywhere. You can find them at places like Advance Auto, AutoZone, even Walmart, even places like Ollie's, like discount places. The prices vary based on the brand, so whatever quality or brand you're looking for, that's going to vary, but you can find these anywhere. Just make sure that you do get 13-inch blades. That's what this particular model of Wrangler takes. To start off, for easy access, go ahead and lift your wipers away from the vehicle. That way we have full access to the clips. Go ahead and go both sides ready. What we're going to do, you're going to fold this back and you'll see here's a little clip. Most of your windshield wipers will have that, some kind of a clip or a button that you can push, which will then unlock it so it'll slide off the arm. So with it turned back, we're going to push the clip, slide the blade towards the vehicle so it slides off of that, and then now you can just pull that out. Flip that the other way. And that comes right out. Here's our new blade here. You're going to want to insert it so that way there's a rounded edge here that this hook will slide over. You can see there, I'll get a close-up. There's the rounded edge there where the arm hook needs to slide over. You're going to want to slide that edge in, so we'll insert this that way. Go ahead and slide that up. Take it all the way until it clicks. Hear a click, it's locked. New blade is on. We're done. Come on to the other side and do the passenger side as well. That's done. Go ahead and put them back in place. And that pretty much wraps up this video on how to replace the windshield wipers on your Jeep Wrangler TJ. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope this video was informative. I hope it was helpful for you. As always, I appreciate all the support out there, so please like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.